Lane Myers reveals plans for legal defense. Just as you thought it was safe to go back into the water, the Lane Myers experience rolled into the pool and let loose a wave of insanity, chemical substances, and obvious legal and political tactics. The latest news came from the Reluctant Prophets channel, who offered the video of Myers' hearing in New Mexico that was recorded on April 1st, 2025. Myers is charged with criminal trespass, resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer, and concealing identity from an incident at a campground in New Mexico. Much like his cases in Arizona, Myers has devoted significant time to attacking prosecutor Kent Walquist and officer Angel Moreno. For those needing a crash course, perjury allegations against those involved in his prosecution, brigading, insults, and feigned outrage, and more outrage. The video features a pretrial hearing that was held via computer about 20 minutes before Myers' appearance in Arizona Superior Court to determine if his communication privileges should be revoked after he made multiple live streams from the jail attacking participants in the case. Myers talked over Judge Catherine Taylor for most of the hearing, giving random tidbits into the Myers verse, including claiming that his trial date in his Arizona cases was set for August and claiming that he was going to go to jail for 50 years. Eventually, Myers began to reveal his future plans for his handling of the Arizona case. He began to question Judge Catherine Taylor about circumstances that would let him out of jail in Arizona. These basically were scenarios where he would be released after having charges dismissed for the second set of charges against him. Myers essentially pitching that he'd be focusing on getting his new charges dismissed, which would eliminate his no-bond order and see him freed. Observers of his latest motions, 12 days later, have seen this play out as Myers is attacking the 6 new charges for multiple reasons: vagueness, duplicative status, constitutionality, trying anything to get rid of the charges, and his no-bond status. Judge Taylor indicated that if he was freed from jail in Arizona as a pro-SE defendant, it was his responsibility to alert the court of his change of status. She then set the next hearing in the case for April 21st, 2025. Myers' absence from social media has again impacted on his ability to fundraise. While Jose Chil de Castro mocked Myers on his Saturday livestream, and both Josh, This Is a Public Service Gray, and the Reluctant Prophet try to keep Myers in the public eye, Myers gets the drive-by donation at best, as there's not a lot of interest in his case. Our own ongoing expenses campaign one Saturday with a $500 donation made in the memory of Jim Finch's recently departed father. No other donations were observed to any of the other campaigns we follow.
Journalism is not free. Both ReallyCoolSite.org's daily newspaper and our daily newscasts are funded by your continuing donations and what we make from our YouTube AdSense revenue each month. If you'd like to contribute to help us keep the lights on, eating, keeping the cats fed, and writing new stories to feature on both the newspaper and newscast each day, we do have a GoFundMe set up at the address on screen right now. If you can't afford to contribute, please watch our videos from beginning to end. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can help by doing next to nothing, and we thank you in advance for pitching in.